Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 10-foot instrument cable to do a review. It's made by Melonare and the part number is GA-CB1. It's a silent instrument cable, so you can plug it in your guitar or unplug it without any kind of noise. So let's open it up, look at its features, and see how it works. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, here's the cable. It looks very heavy duty, black. Okay, it's got a couple of Velcro cable ties. I like keeping these for doing exactly just that. So it comes with a couple of protective caps on the end, so I'll remove those. So I've never seen these before, but this is how it works. So this has a retractable plug design that automatically mutes the signal between your guitar and the amp when plugging or unplugging, eliminating the pops and the static noise. If you look close enough, you can see it's got a spring inside, and that's what connects or disconnects the circuitry before you actually remove or insert the 1/4-inch adapter. So you have 24 AWG oxygen-free copper conductor wires that provide stable transmission. And the cable itself has multiple layers of aluminum foil and copper braided shielding combined with PVC insulation on the outside to effectively reduce noise and interference as well. So it's dual insulated. They have a high PVC jacket that resists wear, stretching, and tangling for long-lasting reliability. And of course, it's just your standard 1/4-inch connectors to ensure capability with electric guitars, basses, keyboards, speakers, and more. The manufacturer does offer a 365-day or 1-year warranty behind their products. You can return for any cause or any reason. So let's give it a try. So I have another instrument cable plugged into my guitar, and this is one thing that you really want to avoid or not do at all is plug a cable in or unplug a cable from your instrument or guitar while the amp or soundboard is on, because of the popping noise. It's not pleasant to hear, and it could cause some damage with your amplifier or your speaker system. So just for this demonstration purposes, I have the volume on my guitar practically off. So you hear the most people want to hear music, and that's not music to your ear. So let's plug in the new Melonare GA-CB1 cable. So now I'm going to plug it into my guitar, and I have my volume set on about 4, so it is on. I'll touch some of the surfaces here. I'll touch the jack. No popping noise whatsoever. And then once it's plugged in all the way and the spring closes and makes the circuit connection, it will be amplified. No popping noise. You heard my strings sound out. So let's take it out while it's playing. No problem at all. So let's unplug it. No popping noise, no static. Volume is still set. So let's plug it back in. No popping noise. So let's plug it in. I still have the volume on. This would come in very handy if you're switching instruments, like going from this electric guitar to an acoustic guitar. You could do it seamlessly, you know, in between songs to play a different instrument. I'm very amazed at these cables. I didn't know such thing existed. The fact that you can plug or unplug an instrument cable without making popping noises and so forth, without turning your amp or your mixer board down. So these are very heavy duty built. They have a 1-year warranty. Again, 10 feet, plenty long enough. I'll be looking at getting more for my other instruments. So I highly recommend these silent instrument cables from Melonare.